Yeme hu nyina ache. Yeme ho akwaba. Yeda nyame ase. Sade pa ache ye. Da bia me catch us ya fagidie shem. Se ebeye ye. Fagidie shem se ebefa. Se ye wu Nyankopon te ase nko ade ebeye ye. Obi ataso. Osbo jenge no ho. Eti mama phone tie ne yese ebe kos mam jenge no osbo mam jenge no.
Asem yidika inna beka akwasi insia commander 6 Kano
la abidi akwasi insia bra so ye asem dika dwumadie ebe to aso e de amana sekese koma already ka afia makwata bakro ma here kwabena sante sas na erika sie do afia makwata bakro sa ba biem and the beautiful Mame Boatima area hosepe enso ebre and message another 1,000 Ghana cedis eti tam chukubet mi atwa gum saa and all eyes obi a petty obi a from the presidency to the last person obi a petty etedi na mama hanum ye ni nyina the few minutes na whereby the mama no ye hwe ni nyina every document will be read. Every picture will be displayed. Obia benyane chefa wom. And obia chefa bi obia no na sabeka. Se grofwe se omaja show ya omo ehwe. Omaja show wo ba ya we. Omaja show ya omo ehwe. Yes. Omo hwe. Cause omo pe exclusive le friano. Se efrenura o and I'm on for fra na document it will be a document bi akenkai wa tell pay ye di everything nyame but happy birthday confirmer afiama kwata maklo and then onya 18 years so if you wish you all the best Nyankopon shira no nyo kese ko so be kese pa happy birthday now me can't sika cause the twagum star 281 hash select option 4 now there Twagum sabaku be betwa be 5 Ghana cedis. Me ba be wi abecho 1,000 cedis. Now the party are sure how far. So Weber, okay. Eti penny oda so the Minister of Energy. We show TV so a. E fa no onmunya for John Abdullahi Chinapo. Was also a member of parliament. Member no so be about Weber patch me first picture no. Okay. So ye de enka bi shemu. E de nya ntie se Electricity Company of Ghana, esuma kwakra enema de framono ne ya share wo containers. Ya containers to say best around 2,500. Whatever figures be around biano, or let's stick to 2,500 containers. Any na no any answer any TSA. Containers ya man pen foko boy chile no na emu 1,350. Ayire freso. Asem beni containers every tema port enye ba ko nye mienu nye miensa nye na nye num mako 1,350 so tabe Asem yo amafo edi ho nkomo a ene ebobo ho yebisa se eti wan na nya kokoduro apode ewura Ghana suhyengi na bia akowia containers 1,350 at the free one. And a ban is hardly an ehu. At when come among for a dianessa. But as part of your Jumain, no see a boy they say, so swam pass containers 1,350 Irana. So swam pa. As a containers 350. ECG for dia and your empty containers and yema wom yes you send yema baku bi ombiado e worth about $500,000 ayira. What about my second picture? Eje rewre mu a Anna eno ekonya for the past time I didn't ever nya say ye ditem association bia akoni abasa na ye ko national security atena ye na ye ko energy ministry but be because we want to ensure say susuam pa say containers 1,300 and something ayira every Ghana ha. So now this is a letter you trade on the 7th of March 2025. That is barely 3 months His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was sworn into office. This letter, a letter the National Security Coordinator, Ora Osman Abdul Razak Etreye, addressing it to the Director General, Ghana Port and Harbors Authority. Chadio, you say, request for assistance to evacuate 706 ECG containers. You are kindly informed of plans to evacuate the list of attached containers belonging to the Electricity Company of Ghana to the Abelempe warehouse of the National Security Council Secretariat. Meanwhile, all port charges be suspended on the said containers pending outcome of ongoing investigations on same. Regards, Enokope, Minister for Transport. Enokope, Commissioner General, Ghana Revenue Authority. Eti yeka adi yeka wasemi eye osiri she ora osma let know. Osi request for assistance to evacuate 706 ECG containers. ECG is the Ministry of Energy ase. But the National Security Coordinator krata no treno. Or copy the Ministry of Transport your man the cars and the chain containers no. And or copy customs per a Ghana Revenue Authority per the port down. The issue is, where is the Minister of Energy? Metie udi echire. On the meche no. Osi okwa kofa ECG niema. ECG no the parent company, a ministry. Ministry of Energy. E se okwa kofa ECG niema, at least anya hwe kra no. Osemi ya me minister. Anampo mi aka mo ECG ya me acting MD. And I'm here MD. So what you kata kuma penim so person of family niema. Every port one more. Say at least. Or say kamedimbe mo. But unfortunate, I'm of that family the next one. Shekata way. Cleared containers by national security. Date here 28th March 2025. Me show first one na 7th March 2025. It's clear no ko. Now on the 28th of March 2025, AFM and national security circle clears all containers belonging to ECG in America or America. Or see Electricity Company of Ghana unit at GJT, Atlas, Amaris, and overseas. UCL unit at GJT. Eti Osha containers number na wahanum no. Containers no. Yeah, you call ye on the 28th of March 2025. And you know, so, first one call, second one call. The report never you see. ECG containers ayira. It yenya de yahwehwe. Yen nyina oyet memfo nyina because yet mean sase nyanhwe answer 1,300 and something containers with me ayira and the free time association bia. Eh dangerous. It nyina yehwe. Na yehwem na de ba pia hanom say on the 28th of March 2025 National Security Corps clears our containers we nyina. Why was the Energy Minister not informed? But you maybe you can't offer any man do what my port what no. Na my man for 7 somebody can hear mo istem dey can. Where ba mama sa picture yes. Ni peti mo den. E penfo kan se bi. Ade a eya say. Wa de ayera. Na nipa ho na hwehwe no on the fire. Sakosinsi amade ayera. na weba na obeka ho amene ne hwehwe me phone we na ayira no say weba ne fa phone no e dangerous sen bibia e se nipa a wahye dada ne nya ne eden nipa a wopo ntim se bada wunya ne na eden pa hey enanu eto abawie ya ne ye ka kyerem se nkrofobia kobo ademu e wotem so se gina bia e sisi niema e fa niema na nkrofobia adwen ye omo se abandada e bokro no eti ye kwako secure aban niema sabre ye ka asase mo kyerem se enye sanete ni maboni bi koso tema so se gina bia ye ka nipa anye ani ebu ba akonie ye ka nipa da sani anye ani emu ba ako ene si wonu mu se min suna meka yam se we aba say 8 or 10 days after declaring His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the winner of the 2024 presidential elections ene kolori sa ne ma we nipa da sani tiri den nipa tiri den se fatu tim se ade a eya se ofun ayira na nipa a woni nam ehwefun no ono e na afa and now somebody said the energy minister beka say national security amana report say containers na ayira no ye hunu mu 40 national security nin semtrefo ekwa aprobo ba bi om na eka kire say enkrofo ne fa ade ne koyo national security kro now you ko clear part of me ko the other way na ma me no list no everybody where bands would we nya to abeka o where bo wonyo come in tell o se kan ye ba ko ni tada wa ko twe ne kakra bia ba che wonje wo weba wonje wo ni papa national security no ko clear we and so the energy minister so the energy minister ko ba bia yesusu say ye ton ECG containers no ema o national security o mi wa national security no ko clear we o and national security say mama first I krata na oyi omsi omde kwa belempe ayi no mam fe national security we your koklo so de ko abelempe national security for warehouse me pa wo we de diem ena me nka hwemi mbua na mbisa se e wo hwa na ora Osman Abdul Razak sa containers we no me pa e wo abelempe hwa na so what's the destination because now one other minister called China for ho. As a China for any ton containers no at the amobo. Eighteen part of 706 na. Oh yeah, now one more minister na maniano. Me patcho and as you are abelem pewana. I also the same from Kwabia Kokanyana. Now me say be so. Oko energy minister hodom no. Oka se container se na person okọ clear every habo honum let the be na minister this eyensem na me bi so let the be na minister de ma wo dodo se no ka se ko clear na date na ko clear 706 wa bo minister da mane national security national because of ECG for near mo. Any man of no any Ghana Port Harbour Authority for the hour. Any man of no any transport ministry for the hour. And any man of no any commissioner general the hour. ECG. ECG. And I would check out I say okwa for money ma 706 no. Why to be cry mo ECG for cry man say money man ta ye kwa ko yi 706 de kogu eyi onya sa am for befa. Ode susuan pa say ECG panin kwa na ummu na. Eti Minister of Energy no so fa na nye hwe. Nebo ni o ma ka de kofa ne ma ne de otimi catch them say, "Ma me ka kofa ne ma." Na nipa na kofa ne ma de wa mo na ma na so kofa ne ma. Mama, ona was George na picture no. Weba mama, ona wo George na picture no. Now, this is the Minister of Energy. Ora John Abdullahi Jinapo. And I know we can Asem be say, the minister and ne be ya ka on step aside. Na investigation ni koso. Na nipa bi fi say me time minister no. It mean pe na Asem pese yi na di. Da bi. But ni susuye na me de ba no. It was for his own good. Na yem de say enura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama I confirm say this investigation should carry on to the latter. Whoever that is involved should make to face the full regards of our laws. Come on, Minister Abaso. I'm telling you, people had wanted to outsmart him. Now, Crofobia percent or more asthmatic minister, no. But it's good, say, he stood on his feet. Because no nimpe fe passe, onye bone. No nimpe fe passe, adi ekoso no, etwetwe aso, ekisi so. Enye minister bia na se be betimi nya da ukodro no. To stand it. Ebia bambapu. Ebibechai. But John Abdullahi Jinapo Chinane Naso can say, Sempo Semini position betwaswa, mini betwaso. Kudos, Minister, why are there? And I know. Say the be my dream, you must say, Bia, on one fetch, the book Rabbi Akofasa contains the aquacoton. But then at least a month for tea, a common see. See, Timmy two and more at the blind side of the minister. See, two and a man home. Near Pally a Baba Chama Palace, Panama Crodin. Well, 1 year cut us one bomb. John Abdullahi Jinapo, you have shown, say, you are a man who deserves to be at the ministry. We continue to support you. Telling you, so far as we be the interest of my Ghana, we will continue to support you. You have shown up, say, you are a man who is standing for Ghana. We trust and believe the words of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Whoever that is involved, whoever that is involved, yanka say SMS na afa, yanka so bente na afa, but ya man scenario kakra. Amon say na de na nsutie. Aw ba bi free and ba bi ababesie. Menu mienu, you need the power to say SMS na area and obente na afa. We continue to look out for the audit report now. Ekoso no. The final findings no. The area, ya so aba chiremo because ya de ya hu enemom ya fia no kan say. Ya fia no kan say. But ya mamu di enkomo na chi edu baby. Ni petri modern. Nipa da sani ye wicked. Nipa timoding. Ono ana no ko no no ba. Ono ana be say twa 19. So live do na ready a ma mencha 1000 cedis na enko. Weba. Ma me live draw no. There's the live draw. Yanko 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yanko 050. Hey, Dabiana. 0506 747. Hey. Okay, sure. First, I'm going to MTF 118. Yeah. It will be they were winning you. 050 6747. But when you're now. Okay, the entry I'm to be now any Kwasan Makona or my Kwabana Sante. And Twasso, F. Embao. So, one about 0506 747. One number, 1,000 Ghana cedis. No, Nisikana tum da. Nisaka 1,000 cedis da. I don't pay problem. So, okay, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me patron saka 1,000 cedis, no?
Exactly.
Real. Oh, wow. It's indeed real. I am chantro. Yen chantro wa ha. Yen dada nipa wa ha.
I can't believe it. In fact, let me give you.
Now when you know, okay. Yeah, just and two try say.
Let me try.
Okay, two try best say.
I'm happy. Thank you.
Who try best say?
We charge 25 cities.
25 cities. Now then, 1,000 cities.
Exactly.
Wow. So now it's on the body where they.
Oh, it's real. Honestly, it's real.
Good.
In fact, we were just something I'm making now.
It's on the body where they. 1,000 where they. What 1,000 where they?
Oh, well. And the pay yet.
Okay.
In fact, more rounds be and the pay because I am a bit in the best possible.
Nice one.
Hey, it's Yakan Pacha. I made a movie of an example.
Because they try to catch up for someone you got to enter. So my capacity to Subabe.
And I am real.
But yeah, that's a fire. That's it. Control Libi Lava Bia Edim. We know where we know. It will be the 1,000. Or my capacity to Baby, you have a channel another 1,000. Now, Quan. To my, bet you 2,000. Hey, or my 2,000. Charity, we did acquisition of my capacity in 25 crado. Any pay much was a semi edica.
Asem yidika.